Hi everyone. So today's video is all about how we can install Angular CLI in our laptop or desktop on Windows 10. So for installing Angular CLI, we need to make sure that we have got Node installed on our machine. So for checking that, what we can do is we can go in our command prompt and type node -v, which will give us the version. So I can verify that Node is installed in my machine. So for installing Angular CLI, what I'm going to do is I'm going to run the npm command, which is like node package manager, and I will say npm install -g stands for global variable. So I want to use it globally, like uh, if I open my command prompt, so I should be able to run my Angular command. So npm install -g @angular slash CLI. So this is all that is required in the command prompt for installing Angular CLI. So as soon as I hit the enter button, it will start the installation process depending on your network speed. So this will be taking small while, and for verifying whether we have got our CLI installed or not, what we will be doing is we would be simply creating, or like we would be checking the version of Angular. So for that we will be using ng-v. So first, let's see how long does it take to install Angular CLI. So mostly this depends on the bandwidth of your computer, or like the internet connection. So if you see in my command prompt, you will be able to see that this is installing globally in C users Prashant roaming app data. So this will be the place where it will be installing Angular CLI. So now it is asking, would you like to share anonymous users data with the Angular team at Angular under Google's policy? Yeah, let's do it. So now it has updated my Angular CLI as well as like installed my Angular CLI. My CLI is version 8.0.2. So for checking what version of Angular we have got, what I'm going to do is I will say ng-v, or let's say Angular version. So we can make sure like Angular CLI was installed because we are getting this options from our server, or let's say ngv. So now we can see that we have got this Angular CLI installed in our machine. So the CLI version is 8.0.2, Node version is 10.15.0, OS is Win32x64, Angular is undefined. So this is how like we install Angular CLI in our Windows machine. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video.